Espera, que para este me tengo que sentar. Yes! Bad Bunny in the house. Man, I've been missing out on these bad boys right here. Chambea.
Chambea, ala, cabrón, ya no te quedan balas.
What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. Esto está encendido. I'm talking about the Hita Anina. Damn, I haven't said Hita Anina in a long time. Yes, guys, I am officially part of the Bad Bunny family over here, bro. Yeah, and I'm telling you, I'm very happy with these guys. Let's take a look at the presentation, because the presentation is second to none, guys. Check this out. Let me catch my breath there a little bit. Guys, this presentation, like I was saying, is gorgeous. Gorgeous. The whole box in this cream, get the money. Yeah, that was luxurious. Get the money. Beautiful textured box. I love it, guys. Don't worry about it because it got smushed up a little bit by FedEx. It happens, guys. It happens. And it has the 3 stripes running down the middle of the box. And right on top, it has that Bad Bunny logo. The eyeball. That, yes, guys, I likes. Very mucho. On the side of the box, it has the Adidas logo with the little bunny for the collaboration. In the back of the box, it says Bad Bunny. And on the other side, you guys see the same logos right up top, the bunny and the Adidas, and the whole QR code thing going on there. Yes, I will bring you the sizing in just a little bit, like always, guys. And going into the inside of the box, this opens up, guys, like if it was a drawer. And guys, the presentation is out of control. It brings this very high quality tote bag with the Adidas logo and the Bad Bunny's logo right there, as you guys can see it. Man, I'm talking about this is good quality stuff, guys. Very good quality. It brings a paper that honestly looks like a bunny actually chewed on it, but that's a different story. And it has an extra pair of laces that it's like a peach type of color. Very beautiful, guys, all the way through in this presentation. And yes, guys, there's the presentation. Don't worry about this, guys. It's more in like a bit. I'm telling you, man, I do some stupid shit sometimes. Have fun in life, guys. Have fun in life. Remember, we only got one, and you have to roll the wheels till the wheels fall off. I don't even know what the hell I just said. But yes, very nice presentation. I love it. And now, let's get into these bad boys right here. Yes, guys, I did get these through StockX. You know, once again, there was so many shoes coming out at the time that I totally passed on these. But you guys know I have to get them. I have to get all these now. I'm gonna start buying all the rest of the Bad Bunny collaboration. But once again, I'll leave a link below if you guys want to cop. And these right here per se are actually good for a very good price. There's some other ones that are a little bit more pricier, but these are going for a good price and, you know, reachable price. Nothing crazy, guys. But yes, I'm gonna show you the one with the StockX tag right now. And before I even get into the materials and the actual shoe, yes, still part of the presentation in this like woven paper type of cloth thing. I don't even know what the hell this is. And on the right shoe, it has the Bad Bunnies and Adidas collaboration logo right there. Very nice. And the rest is just plain, guys. I really don't know if this is maybe for another country or something like that. Whatever it is, it does have it. Let me remove the little tag real quick. Yes! The ultimate protection. Swagara. Se fue. All right. You already know how I start this off, guys. The materials in the toe box. The suede of the toe box is the same as the rest of the shoes, guys. Very good buttery suede. I'm talking about very soft. very soft and hairy, guys, hairy. Because I like them hairy. Yes, the suede. Very good quality. That's the most I can say about it. Very premium. Let's put it like that. Very premium. Staying on top of the shoe, the suede goes all the way to the top of the ankle collar. But look at this tongue, guys, between the laces. Very unique laces. Before we even get into the tongue, look at the laces, guys. It's like a rope style laces. Very gorgeous. And the actual tongue, it's actually detachable. The front piece is actually made out of nylon. Very nicely sewn too. No dirty stitching or anything like that. And in the top, it has the Bad Bunny eyeball. That, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think this thing has some gel or liquid in it. Very cool. You guys will see it right there. It is. To me, it actually has a liquid inside of that bubble. And removing the top tongue, the bottom one is the exact same material, and it says Adidas. Very nice touch, guys. I love the double tongue right there, and it makes it very nice and poofy. A very big, poofy, bulky shoe. I love it. Staying in the inside of the shoe, if you guys know sneakers, you know that this is premium quality stuff right here, guys. All the way through. And this whole back, the whole ankle collar of the shoe is going to remind you of something, and that it is one of my ultimate grails. And what is it, guys? This ultimate grail, I've been searching it for a long time, and it's the actual Kanye West Louis V's. Check them out right there, guys. Yes, this back piece is identically the same. Well, not identical, guys, but you know what I mean. It still has that same feel to it. No, it's not identical, but it still has that same feel, that premium designer feel to it. That once again, they killed it. The whole lining in the inside of the shoe is in leather. The back piece right there and that tan color is leather, and the insole is in leather with the Adidas and Bad Bunny collaboration logos. Exquisite. I cannot ask for more, guys. Let's go to the side of the shoe. Going to the side of the shoe, you guys see right there, because this is actually mixed up with the midsole of the shoe. The midsole goes into the top of the actual leather, the actual suede. The 3 stripes are in a smooth leather in brown, and right at the end of the 3 stripes, it says Campus in white. The whole ankle collar is in a cloth, guys. It's actually in a linen, and it's very smooth linen too, very good quality, and it has that, I don't know, brownish, tannish color. Very nice. Going to the back, all you see is this big piece of plastic or silicone or whatever, guys. Once again, I'm not the material expert over here. I'm just saying what I see and what I feel. And it has a texture that is a very designer-like texture with the lines on it. Reminds me a lot of the Louis V shoes. And that same rubber piece is the one that connects to the midsole, that makes it and gives it the actual bulky look to the shoe. The midsole is all nice and sail color, beautiful cream. Get the money. Let me specify, I don't like the sail. It goes across the whole shoe and to the sole of the sneaker. The sole of the sneaker, just a typical campus sole, nothing on it, just the actual pattern. Very, very clean sneaker all the way through. Great designer feel of this shoe. Quality on point. Cannot recommend it more than, I just can't, guys. I am super happy to have these shoes in my hand. And you know, you guys, you know, I'm a big promoter of stepping away from just Jordans and Nikes. You guys got to try out all different type of brands. If you guys don't have a pair of these or any of the type of these new shoes that are coming out from Saucony, Adidas, New Balance, Asics, even the Adora is throwing it down with some crazy stuff. If you guys haven't stepped into this that zone yet, you guys gotta jump on it. You guys gotta leave the constant hype. Remember, guys, I keep promoting this. There's so many beautiful sneakers out there, and I'm sorry to say, if you're only Jordans and Nikes You're not really much of a sneaker enthusiast. You're just going by what the grand majority of everybody likes and realistically what everybody else could get their hands on. So let's get into the sizing of these shoes. Enough of the spiel. The sizing of these shoes is very, let's put it like this, controversial when it comes to the sizing of these shoes. A lot of reviewers say to go half a size down. Some reviewers even say to go a full size down. And some reviewers are saying to stay true to size. I'm going to tell you my example here. I wear a 9.5 in the grand majority of Jordans, and I went 9.5 on this. I said, you know what? Even if they run a little big on me, it doesn't matter. Well, guys, it fits perfect, even with the loose lacing because of the extra fat tongue. It keeps the shoe on my foot. And I cannot ask for a better fitment. They fit great to me when it comes to true to size. Could it be that maybe, I don't know, people are just over exaggerating on the sizing on this, saying that this is the same as an Air Force? No, it's not. At least in my case, it's not even close to an Air Force One. So I went true to size. I'm extremely happy with the way it fits. I am going to be buying the rest of the line of these, and I am going for the Gazelles as well. But there's one that so far is the one I want the most, and I'm wearing the hat. Big shout out to Santurce, Puerto Rico. Yes, much love to you guys. Hey man, my parents and my brother lived there very long time ago. I actually lived in Santurce, Puerto Rico, and I'm looking for a specific shoe of Bad Bunny, and they're going right now as I'm doing this video. They're going for like $1,500. I don't know what's the reason. I'm trying to get some insight on it. Maybe it's because of the whole concert thing that he's throwing it down, but it is what it is. I am planning on getting the rest of these shoes. So yes, guys, premium quality. There is no complaint whatsoever about this. I love them. Gives me the DC shoes back in the days, the Emmys, you guys remember that? That's what it gives me the feel of. But obviously an extreme luxury, beautiful. It's just beautiful, guys, all the way through. What a great sneaker. Great job, Bad Bunny and Adidas, guys. And thank you for bringing that collaboration. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Santurce, el machete. I gotta go machete on this one.